Hey, Facebook, it's me, Blooming Orchid, making me a video. Y'all see I keep patting my hair because I ain't too confident about how it's looking right now. It's kind of looking crazy. I did me some crochets on it about 2 weeks ago. It's been a lazy day, so I just got it just up here. Anyway, I'm making this video. I just made this. I'm making spontaneously making this video to show people who ain't got no stove yet that you still can eat good without a stove. And it's hot as heck outside, so the stove just ain't really mandatory anyway. The baking portion of it. Okay, so I just moved into my house about 3 weeks ago, and I don't have a stove yet, but I got a lot of appliances. I should have made this video when I was preparing my food. However, I chose to make it afterwards. But anyway, for dinner, I'm having some seasoned baked tilapia as well as seasoned baked gold Yukon potatoes. And I'm doing some lightly sauce corn and butter sauce. Okay, so here go my corn. This is what I'm using right here. These Nibblets corn and butter sauce. You can microwave. This is really good. My mama put me up on this. You can microwave, but my microwave went out last week. I don't know why, y'all. It just went out. So I gotta do all stuff just to warm up my food. And it's like so irritating. Yeah, I'm so wretched. Look. It's all good though. It's just me and my household. Okay. And I make me some potatoes, right? Okay. I'm eating off on this one, this portion right here missing. But I baked some potatoes. I cut up some green, yellow, and red bell peppers. And I seasoned them with salt and pepper. And then doused them in some Italian seasoning right here. And then I put some cheese on them. And I like fried them in a pan at first on this right here, on this little cooking device, baby. My grandmama let me borrow this. And then I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to bake them. So, yep. Made them, baked them. It's really good looking. Like, there's a pepper on it. Baby, I got this little toaster oven working, baby. And yeah. I baked me some tilapia. I don't know how I got this foil going, but I got it on here. Man, bake me some tilapia. You can see I've been eating off that too. Baby, this tilapia is so fire, y'all. I baked it, I seasoned it, and seasoning salt, paprika, and that's the Italian seasoning. I didn't do as much paprika, but I put a little on here, and I sprayed some olive oil on it. I sprayed olive oil on the potatoes as well, and chopped up a little butter on the potatoes. But yeah, this fish is so delicious, y'all. Like, yeah, I gotta like demonstrate how to eat. I'm looking for a fork. I got a plastic one. But it's so tender. I baked it on 450. As you can see, you see how flaky it is. I baked it on 450 for I don't know how long. It's really good. Until I felt confident. I didn't put as much inside on it because see, I'll make it real saucy, but I didn't have no black pepper, y'all. So I had to improvise. So I said, shit, I ain't got no black pepper. And like, I'm from Mississippi. So we put a lot of salt, and pepper is like the base of most of our stuff. Outside, like frying chicken and pork chop, we put like seasoning salt on it. But when it comes to like fish like this, a tilapia, something you will bake, salt and pepper, it's very important, and it's very extremely important for the potatoes. So I ain't got no pepper on my potatoes, but I got some salt on it. I'm sorry, I got butter and stuff all in my hand. Anyway, this kind of a quick little video, but yeah, this is my dinner for this evening. I'm going to plate it. When I tell you this tilapia is so good, I'm gonna plate it, and yeah. And it came up off the floor so easily. I guess due to the olive oil. These potatoes so delicious, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. If you are watching my video, I really thank y'all. Look at the golden cheese on the potatoes, baby. That's so good. So what this is, toaster oven Chronicals. Delish. Now I'm making some corn, baby. This corn, what I liked about this corn was it came with a butter sauce. So it's like really freaking good. And my mama always microwave it and it would be freaking good. But I just fried it on the in a skillet on the stove. Not on the stove, on my lip. Yeah. It's gonna be really good. So here's my finished product. Y'all can see. I don't care about my food touching. I never have. It kind of add flavor to stuff, but I got a lot of corn on my plate. I love corn. I eat corn every day. My favorite vegetable in the whole world. Yeah. It's so good. These potatoes, thank you, Lord. I didn't say thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, universe, for the food. This potato so good. I think that these potatoes are rich. My video. I know we're kind of ratchet. So I'm on myself. Pretty usual. All right, y'all. I'm out.